Okay, good day, class. This is posted video number 1 for the week. On some of the Google Classroom streams, you might see a post like this, where it has an attendance form, and then it has this actual scavenger hunt homework template. Basically, what you're doing, you are going to be renaming this file and creating your own questions based on your task. If you have, let's say, one missing assignment, then your Google Scavenger Hunt homework is going to be no more than 5 tasks. If you have 2 outstanding or missing assignments, then your assignment will have 10 tasks. If you have 3 or more, you're going to make it 20 tasks that they need to complete, everything within the Google Classroom. So it's outlined here in the green what that task and what you want to do. You can have the same name in class. You want to get rid of the do now question or add it. The first thing you do when you see the file, you go to file and you go make a copy. Very important. You rename the file, right? Rename the file, your name and your class, and you hit OK. When that's done, then you could go into changing up your questions. I'm going to fast forward ahead to one that I already have done for time purposes, right? So I already made the copy of that file. Just bear with me 1 minute as I go back and retrieve what I worked on earlier to kind of show you how this can look like, or what it could look like. Okay. So I'm opening up mine. Here you're going to keep the same directions. It's going to be based on 3 days. And as you can see, I changed the question. I used the word calculate for this. Let's say I came up with a different word. And let's say I use the word history, just so you understand. Okay. You can organize the task how you want it. The best way to do this is copy the word, go to tools, and I'm going to the dictionary. And notice that I copied it. Just a little review of what we did. You copy that, Control C, paste it next to the word, right? Same thing with that if you want to do that for the word. For the second word, that's task 1 done. Task 2, how to use the Explore tool. In my earlier classes, we use this as a question. What is the time in Tokyo now, right? I copy it. I'm closing this up real quick. I go to tools, I go to Explore. I paste the question. It might require that I do it multiple times. What is the time in Japan right now? I click it. I'm going to have to open this up, this link, to get the actual time. So right now it is 4:42 a.m. on Tuesday. So when I go back to my actual response, that's what the time I will put in there. Okay. You don't have to do Tokyo, just kind of give you an example. You can have 2 or 3 questions here if you like. You can have 1. It's up to you how you want to organize it. Okay. Find a picture of New York's official state bird. It doesn't have to be a picture about a state bird. It could be something else. Okay. So let's say I got a picture of let's say, what's the official state animal? Do they have one? Let's see what happens. Alaska's official animal. I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to paste it and I'm going to see what it comes up with. And I might have to look this up under the fun facts for this site. So if I'm going to choose an animal, I might choose a mammal, which might be a moose. Okay. Or here's a state marine mammal. It's a bowhead whale. So I would have to rephrase my question. So let's say I chose state mammal, and it is a moose. So Instead of animal, I would have to change this to mammal, right? And of course in here, I would have to change that. Now when I do that, it's gonna go directly to what I need to find. Now I have to look for a picture of a moose. You tell me if I'm right. Did I find it yet? Doesn't look like I found it yet. So I might have to go to the web. I might have to go to the site and see if it gives me any other details. And here I have a picture that I want to use as a moose. So I'm going to copy it. And then I'll go here. And then I'm going to paste it. If it doesn't do that, then I'm going to have to resort to my other tech skills. And I could take a screenshot of this. Shift command and number 4 if I'm on the Mac. If I'm on the PC, I have to get the snipping tool and take the picture and then place the picture inside here by going insert and go image and upload from the computer because I'm on a Mac. Then I will have to look for that screenshot that I just took. And knowing that it will be the last one that I just took. So it's this one here, and then I hit open. And then it pasted. So you can arrange how you want to do that. Again, when you're done with it and you're finished, you can change up the table. You can change up the amount, the quantity. Maybe I'll make it 5 and 8. It's up to you. Maybe I change the fun fact on using the Explore tool. It is up to you totally what you want to do. Maybe I change the page setup and the color. Maybe it goes from landscape to I make it landscape and I change it to a different color. Maybe I make this green. Okay, it's up to you how you want to do it. Maybe I change the math problem. Okay, it's up to you to organize how you want to utilize that. So that's what this homework assignment is about. That's video number 1.